This is my vintage or antique pepper mill from Greece, which is brass, and it has no shine whatsoever, and not even a consistent patina to be valued as a nice display antique piece. So I'm going to show you the easy, what may seem to many as obvious, quick way to make this look real nice again. This is a bench grinder. For those of you unfamiliar with what a bench grinder is, it has wheels on either side that can be changed out for different things, like stone wheels of different grit, grain level, and then wire wheel on the other side, which is what we'll be using for our polishing. If you don't have one of these, they're not all that much. I picked this up for like 50 bucks, but that was really cheap for a DeWalt. Apart from that, you need a pair of these safety glasses. Unless, of course, you value shards of metal stuck in your eyeball whenever they fly off in the polishing process. Now, you can use different kinds of pastes and what have you to do this in a more gentle, slower way. And if you have something more delicate, I would certainly go that route. But if it's something that you just want to give a quick polish to, you don't want to try to preserve any kind of antique value or anything, then this is the way to go. Also, you want to also make sure that it's solid metal instead of plated metal, or you will simply strip off the plating down to the base metal, and you don't want to do that either. So, anyway, without further ado, okay, so rather than to bore you with 5 minutes of me polishing this thing, which is about all it took, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, I would also like to note that it's wise to also wear protective gloves in addition to this. I normally don't, but when you know it, first time, and I don't know how long, when I was doing this, piece of metal just decided to splinter off the wheel and stick into my thumb. So yeah, if you look at the video real close, you can probably see that. Anyway, if you can't see, this is has a very brilliant, bright shine now, all throughout it, like it's brand new. You can see all the scroll work, the lettering, and you hit it right, it'll blind you in the sun. So that to me, it's an invaluable tip for those it never occurred to. It's kind of obvious to me now, it seems so simple, but a lot of people I've spoken with, it hasn't occurred to them. They think it takes a lot of elbow grease and paste and polishing and da-da-da. But the wire wheel, it'll strip all of that surface tarnish off in no time flat. This can also be applied to a variety of other metals that are solid metals, not plated metals. So I hope that helps someone. Have a good day.